What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Facebook wherein if you don't have a Facebook account, just simply click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, just log in with your account and then you will be automatically logged into the homepage of Facebook. Now, after coming to the homepage of Facebook, on the right side, you can see this waffle-like icon, which is the menu icon. Click on this and then click on this ads section right here. After clicking on the ads section, a new tab will open by opening the Meta Business Manager or the Google Ads tab, from where on the left side you need to go to the account overview. Click on this account overview once and then this type of page will open. From here on the right side at the top you can see these three dots. Click on this and then click on Reset Ads Manager. From here you can reset all your Facebook Ads Manager settings, and this is how you can do it. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.